great grandma. Is that from Uncle B? Say thank you, Uncle B.
What is that?
Oh, you're gonna open that already. It's to her that castle she got.
Oh, it's to the
We'll get that
castle.
set up later.
Hey,
Oh,
Eva.
Leah.
Eva, can you give me that trash?
I was trying to.
What are you laughing at, Ben?
Look at Leah.
It's just destroying this box.
Well, that's the box? I thought that was the paper.
No, it's
Jeez. Hey, if I never need any, if I ever need any cardboard broken down.
Where were you last night?
beware, you're
Breaking down
about to
my
have your
cardboard.
third baby. This is what they do.
Electronics you have to fight your way into.
Leah, do you need some help?
Yeah.
Oh,
Lydia gives out lots of kisses. Lydia,
It could become a problem.
do you kiss boys?
Yeah.
Do you kiss Jackson?
Jackson.